Hello, friends. Okay, so today is a very special day because there is someone visiting us from India. Okay, so it's a working day. I really had very little time this morning, so I could just do some chores which I'm going to show you. So unfortunately, I ended up making chole paneer, but I couldn't record the recipe. I'll put the recipe in the description, but I'm sorry guys, so excuse me for that. But very soon I can repeat. It's a typical chole recipe, but I just added paneer to make it a little bit special. But this vlog will be all about the person visiting us from India, and we are going to meet her after 5 years. So I'm going to quickly finish this and I'll show you what I'm making, and then I'm going to take you through my entire day, and then in the evening when we go to the airport, you will come along with me as well. Okay, like I told you, I couldn't share the end-to-end process because it's already done. It was way too early in the morning and I didn't want it to wake Kian up by just recording this. So I did not shoot this at all. What I did is I had made the masala yesterday. This morning I actually pressure cooked the chole for 30 minutes. It was soaked the entire night, and then I mixed it now. So I'm going to make this curry. I have 15 minutes before I have to go upstairs for my call. I'm going to make this curry, keep it on low, and then once I'm back from the call, I want to make puri. So I want to make chole puri and aloo ki sabji. I think she will like it and we will like it as well. So this chole paneer has been on the gas for more than 30 minutes now, and I think it's ready. I just added some kitchen king masala on the top, and I'm going to add some ghee, and that's it. So this is ready. I'm also making dahi on the other side, so the milk is now hot and I'm going to make dahi on my new IKEA stuff. So an IKEA haul, a very short video, will be posted sometime next week. So that's what we did over this weekend. But I got this beautiful jar, a mason jar, which I'm going to use for dahi. Right, so I'm going to make dahi, which is yogurt, as we all love yogurt, and the person who is visiting loves yogurt very dearly. So, and then I'm going to do the atta and start making the puris. This weekend, we also ended up cleaning and removing some of the stuffs from the guest room, because this is where we will have her sleep. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to have a tour of my house. If you like my video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. It's going to help you to be notified when I post anything new. Let me know in the comment section, how do you make your puris? I make it with maida and atta both, as I am a bong. So made kheer, aloo sabji, chole and puri I'm going to make now, and then get dressed and we will be ready to go to the airport. So the house is also clean. This is our living area. Coco is sitting by the window and waiting for his walk. Oh, this is a beautiful card that Kian made on Valentine's Day, and I think he has a good handwriting. He's only 5, and they made this card in the school. Just wanted to share. Oh, by the way, our fridge is filled with all memories. That's Kian's caricature from last year. He keeps on getting these notes. Okay, so I'm going to now start with the puri. This is all fluffed up and you get to see the puris in making. guys, it's all done. It's 25 puris and I'm going to wrap it in a napkin so it stays warm. And now we are going to get dressed and go to the airport. Kian, where are we?
We are in the airport.
And why are we here, Kino?
Because to get ugly.
What?
Hey,
Yeah.
what? On this you don't have to run. Also, you can.
So the airport is 20 minutes drive from our place, but we had to stop over at Vimal's, so we did that, and now we are in the airport, and the flight has landed, but I think immigration and all will take some time. So I guess we'll just hang out in the airport. So Kian actually got a little hungry, and I don't know, because of excitement or what, I cooked so much, but I did feed him, but I didn't carry anything with me. So we have plenty of time. So we just suggested let's go upstairs and see if there is a place where we can get some food for him. This airport is pretty, but it's okay. It's quite big. It has to be big. Dallas is a big city, but I really loved India's Mumbai airport. While we wait for the guests to arrive, I cannot say guests, but yeah, we just decided to play game. Kian, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to ask 5 questions to Kian and let's see how quickly he can respond.
Yes.
Okay, so name your favorite season.
Winter.
Winter is his favorite. Okay, name your favorite color.
Red.
Okay, name your favorite fruit.
Orange.
Okay, remember that. Okay, name your favorite vegetable. He likes all vegetable, but what's your favorite vegetable that you really love to eat? Come on, Kian, you like all vegetables.
So what type of vegetables? Spinach.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Spinach.
Spinach. Okay, what's your favorite TV show?
Ryan.
Ryan's World. Okay, now let's show them. This is a service dog, and that's why she can bring him anywhere she goes, right? As it's a service dog. So he looks very much like Coco. In fact, it's the same breed. Oh, I miss Coco. So that's the arrival. Yep, the flight has landed 20 minutes ago, but I'm sure the immigration and all will take some more time. So while we wait here, Kian, are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to show what you got for?
How much
Do you want to show?
minutes will they come in?
In, let's see, maybe 15 minutes.
Maybe,
अभी एक कॉल करना थोड़ी देर में
maybe
देखना
20 minutes.
और maybe yeah, come. Hello. So that's that was the surprise. My mother-in-law. We had to wait for almost 2 hours, but it's all fun. Look at Avi.
Hey, why are you hiding?
What is this?
I haven't opened it.
Laddu. Then some more sweets. Then this is Avi's favorite. I don't know what does all of these, but it looks like fun. Okay guys, with this I'm going to end this vlog. Hope you like it. We are going to have some good memories over the time Ai is with us, and I will keep vlogging. Thank you so much for your support and love. So then Mani. Bye. So thank you, Mani.
They are Pokemon.
Yeah, Quinton said, Auntie, get this for Kian.